Why did I become a loctician? I think I fell in love with becoming a loctician from watching my father have locks. They're beautiful. They're long, all the way down his ankles. They just captivated me. Before moving to Los Angeles, I started my first pair of locks. And granted, I've had 4 pairs of locks since then. I'm in and out of them, but I always find my way back to them. I don't know, it's just, they got a hold on me. I had my first client in Los Angeles. He was pretty cool. He was a cool dude. And he was able to allow me to mess up. He didn't really care what his locks turned out to be, so he was just allowing me to just learn from him. And that kind of really helped me along the way. Me as a person, I'm always wanting to take things to the next step, and I just wanted to learn more. And also, I was really broke. I felt that was a means to make money while being out in Los Angeles because it's super expensive out here. And he paid me like, I wanna say like $70. I was like, cool, I can actually see myself doing this. I just was consistent with him with learning, and he had a lot of locks, and it was just obnoxious sometimes at first because I was just like, this is a lot. So I made some business cards and I just started passing them out. I really didn't know what I was doing, but I knew that I can learn and it could be something big. Because I always believe in myself. I never count myself out. I think that's what sets people apart, when they are unbelievably believable to themselves. It takes yourself to know what you can and can't accomplish. You count yourself out before anyone else does. So just know that you can do anything when you set your mind to it. So I also knew how to do my own hair. I think that's what really started my process, because everyone's seen how I did my own hair and they were like, it looks good, but doing your own hair versus someone else's hair is totally different. So I learned that it takes a lot of patience with other people, because some people are more tender-headed. Some people like certain things a certain way. So you kind of got to let yourself go and be for that person. So I got my first client. I started passing out cards. I was passing out cards through DoorDash. At the time, I was door dashing too. This is so fun to tell, low-key. Because it tells me how far I've grown. I was door dashing, and within each door dash, I would put my card into the people's food, I guess. Was it sanitary? Probably not, but hey, it got the job done. Over time, I just kind of been really consistent with myself, my clients, and I'm very professional. That allowed me to go a little further, and now I'm here with you guys.